Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set the time and date on your Casio F91W. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Now if you own a Casio F91W, you already know that you have three buttons. Now in order to go and set the time, you have to press the mode button 3 times. So 1, here we will be able to set the alarm. The second time we can use the stopwatch, and the third time in order to set the time. Now we'll use the light button in order to select the hours, the minutes, the day of the month, and the day of the week. Now I will start all over again. So when we select the hours, if we use the button on the right, you will be able to select the hours. Then if you want to select the minutes, you can go and select the minutes. Now if you want to go and also set the date, here you have the month. As you can see, we have 12. Let's make it February. And then we can go and set the day of the month. So let's make it the 5th. You can also press and hold, and usually this will make everything go faster. So you can get closer to what you want to set and then press it just one by one. So the 5th, and now let's make it Monday. Just like that. And when you are all set and done, you can simply press the mode button once again. And as we can see, we have the time set. Also, it shows here the 5th and Monday. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you now know how to set the time and date on your Casio F91W. Once again, like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.